Hello, today we'll be going over question 9.3 in homework chapter 9. So for part A, we have a machine part is initially rotating at 0.5 radius per second. So initial is 0.5 radius per second. And acceleration is 2.5 radius per square second. And the angular speed, it asks for at what angle is the machine part rotated when the angular speed equals 3.25 radius per second. So for this question, we can use the formula of w squared equals to w0 squared plus 2 alpha. It's angular speed times the difference of speed. Difference of angle, sorry. Now we just plug in all the numbers. So 3.25 radius per second square equals to initial speed, which is 0.5 radius per second square plus 2 times the angular acceleration, which is 2.5 radius per square second, and times the difference of angle. And we just solve for the difference of angle as a whole item. So after calculation, we get like 2.0625 radius. And for part B, it asks for the angle in degrees. So to get a degree from radius to angle, to get an angle from radius to degree, we just use in degree is the radius, which is 2.0625 radius times 180 degree over pi, and we got 118.173 degrees. Part C, it asks for the angle in revolutions. So the angle of revolution is, so this is degree, this is revolution. So it just is the radius, which is 2.0625 radius divided by 2 pi, which gives us 0.328 revolution. Part D. So helicopter rotor of a helicopter gain angular speed with constant angular acceleration at t equals 0, rotating at 1.25. So that's the initial speed. Wait. T equals 0 from 2 radius. Okay. So it's the same. We just use the formula of theta equals to theta 0 plus w0 t plus 1/2 angular acceleration alpha times t squared. As for the angular acceleration, so now we just plug in all the values. So 8 radius equals to 0 radius plus, so initial speed is 1.25 radius per second times time, which is 2 seconds, plus 1/2 angular acceleration alpha times 2 second square. And we solve for the angular speed alpha, and it equals to 2.75 radius per second. Part E. As for through what angle in radius does the rotor rotate from t equals 0 to t equals to 4 seconds? So we can use the same formula because we have all the values here. So plus w0t plus 1/2 alpha t squared. So we plug in all the numbers, and this time we solve for theta, which is the angle, the final angle. So initial angle is 0 radius plus 1.25 radius per second times 4 second plus 1/2 times angular acceleration 2.75 radius per square second times 4 second square. And so for theta equals to 27 radius, and they ask for the difference of the angle, so it's 27 radius minus the initial angle, which is 0 radius, so we have 27 radius. Okay, so for part F, a jeweler's grinder wheel slows down in a constant rate from 185 radius per second to 105 radius per second, while it rotates through 16 revolutions. How much time does it take? So this time it gives us the degrees in revolutions, so we need to get it into radius to do our calculation. So theta equals to 16 revolutions and times 2 pi, which is 32 pi radius. And we use the formula of theta minus theta 0 equals to 1/2 w0 plus w times time. And we know the difference of angle is 33 pi radius equals to 1/2. Initial is 185 radius per second plus 105 radius per second times the time, and we solve for time. So time then equals to 0.693 seconds. Okay, that's part F, and now we are part G. So it's a disk rotated around the axis through its center. Has a line drawn is extended from axis at t equals 0, the axis velocity of that is what time after t equals 0 has the line on disk rotated through an angle theta. So we can use the formula of theta equals to theta 0 plus w02, which gives us z, right? Z, right? Yeah. T plus 1/2 W0t plus 1/2 of t squared. And now we plug in all the signs they give us. So theta equals to 0 plus W0z times time plus 1/2 az t squared. And we move all the signs to one side, so we get 1/2 az t plus w0 z t plus minus pi equals 0. And since t is there's a square, so since t is the variable, so we solve for, and that's what we need to solve for. So t equals to, we can use the formula of 2a over negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac. So we just plug in all the numbers. So we solve it as a function. So a here is 1/2 is az, so times 2, that's az over negative w0z plus w0z squared. Since c is negative pi and here's a minus sign, so turns to positive. So plus a is 1/2 az, so alpha z, so is 2 a z theta. And since time needs to be positive, that's why we only take the plus, not plus or minus. And yeah, that's all the questions. And thank you for watching.